Using Park Assist inside of the Kia EV9 and other Kia vehicles is a very straightforward process. There are two different types of Park Assist. You can do some things using the Keyfob and then Park Assist on the inside. Down the center stack, there's a little camera button with a P on it. If you push and hold it, that's going to pull you up to this screen here. So the vehicle can search for available spaces. This will pull up for either parallel or perpendicular. So you're just going to keep on driving until you find a space that you're comfortable with. You have to be driving a little bit slower in order for the vehicle to pick up spaces, but just keep on going. You can take whatever space you'd like. So we've got a few spaces available here. I've got one coming up. I think this will be perfect. Perfect. So we're going to do parallel from the inside. You can do it from the outside using the key fob, but I think inside makes the most sense. So you tap smart parking, and then from there, push and hold the P button, release the brake pedal, hands off the steering wheel, and the car does everything for you at this point. So it's going to back you up. It's going to take any obstacle into account as well. So if there's a pedestrian that jumps out, things like that, it's going to take all of that into account. But I mean, you can see here, it's doing it perfectly. So it actually is a fairly quick process here. Like, could you back up yourself a little bit faster? Yeah, probably, but when we look here, it'll pull me forward. There we go. Yeah, she'll pull forward, there we go, a little bit in order to get me kind of perfectly centered and perfectly centered in that line and brake. It's going to automatically put you in park. So it's got the parallel process completed, and take a look at the parking job that it did here. So I'd say that's pretty solid, taking all obstacles into account. There is the option for parallel park out as well. So we take that same P button, if you push and hold it again, that's going to pull this screen up. Again, the vehicle's figuring out what's going on. We can parallel park out to the right or to the left-hand side. The right is a curb, so let's go to the left. From there, you're just going to push and hold that P button, foot off the brake pedal, hands off the steering wheel, and then again, it does everything for you. It might back you up if it needs to, but it's recognized that there's more than enough space. So it's going to start pulling me out of the space here. And then eventually it'll tell me to take over, and you can start driving from here. Now, at any point in time, you can overtake the process. You can hit the brake pedal. You can release that little camera button as well, but that's using the parallel parking system inside of the EV9. Using perpendicular park assist is just as simple. So we just push and hold that P button again. Same idea, the vehicle figures out what spaces are available, so you can just start driving forward. And there are a few spaces open, so again, you can just keep on driving until you find a space that you're comfortable with. And we've got one right here. Let's take this first spot, but there's another one next to me here. You can keep on driving again until you figure out whatever space you'd like. We're gonna tap here. Now you can do remote smart parking from outside the vehicle. I'll show you that one in a second, but you can also do the smart parking from inside. So all we're gonna do, push and hold that P button again, foot off the brake pedal, hands off the steering wheel. Again, the car's going to do everything. If you're not comfortable with the process, you can ride the brake pedal if you'd like to, but as it's reversing and doing its thing here, if you were to just release that P button, it pauses the process, push and hold again in order to continue. But you can see here, it's taking everything into account. You can see the car next to us here and behind. It's then pulling forward. So with the perpendicular, same as the parallel, could you probably do it quicker yourself? Maybe, but if you've got mobility issues or you just want to show off a cool feature, this is how we can make it happen. Backing me up perfectly in that space. Yeah, if there was an obstacle in behind me, somebody jumped out, it would actually pause the process. What we can see here, it's backing me up beautifully. And throws me into park automatically. But have a look at the parking job that it did for this perpendicular space. The EV9 also has remote smart parking with two different variations, controlling parking from outside to complete the job, or there's also the option of going in or out of a space. So I'll show you that one in a second, but the first one, we just continue forward. So whether it's a parallel or perpendicular space, you first find whatever space you want to take, and then once you do, you're then going to stop, you're going to select whatever space you'd like. we're going to tap here, and now we want to do remote parking. So you tap here, and once you do, it's going to tell you to shift into park, and then all you have to do, hop outside the car. What you're going to do from here is take the key fob, and we want to go backwards. So on the fob, you can either go forwards or back. We want to go backwards here. So you're just going to push and hold the back button, and watch this. Nobody in the car. It's doing everything. So you have to be kind of somewhat close-ish for this to work, but it is controlling everything. You can release the back button in order to pause the process, or push and hold again in order to keep it going. But look at this. It's taking that other car into account, pulling the vehicle forward automatically. And all I'm doing, oh, hello there. All I'm doing is pushing and holding the button here in order for it to back up. Look at that. And it's backed up and it's stopped. And in a second there, it's continued and it's completed the process. So it's parked the car, and then I don't even have to worry about turning the car off. So it's done it for me automatically. But that's using the remote smart parking process in order to complete a parking job. But then the EV9 also features the option for remote smart parking from outside the vehicle. So if you needed to either back into a space or pull out of a space because things are tight, you can do it from outside. So let's say if the driver's door is covered, so you can't actually get into your driver's door because the person next to you is too close. What you're going to do is remote start the car first. So you push the lock button and then push and hold the circle button. So just push to lock, push and hold that circle button, and the car has now been remote started, so we're turned on. You've then got your remote smart parking buttons here, and we want to pull out of the space, so we want to go forward. So we're going to push and hold that button, but watch this when we do. Straightens out the tires for us, and out we go. So if you needed to get out of a space, or if you wanted to go the opposite way and back yourself into a tight space, you'd have the flexibility to do it, and then just unlock, and you're good to go. But it's that easy using the Park Assist system inside of the Kia EV9.